Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zapier's Webhooks for powering your no-code app step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Zapier website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one now. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Trigger App search bar, type Webhooks and select it. Choose Catch Hook from the available options. You will see a unique URL generated for your webhook. Copy this webhook URL for later use. Now, go to your no-code app where you want to send data from. In your no-code app, find the option to set up a webhook. Paste the Zapier webhook URL into the designated field. Configure any additional settings required by your no-code app. Once your app is set up, send a test request to the webhook. Return to Zapier and click on Test Trigger. Zapier will attempt to retrieve the test data you sent. Make sure you see the data appear in the test results. Now, click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, choose an action app that you want to connect with the webhook. Search for the app within the Zapier platform and select it. Choose the specific action you wish to perform in that app. Map the fields from your webhook data to the Action App fields. Review your setup to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once confirmed, click on the Continue button. Test the action step to see if it works properly. If successful, you'll receive a confirmation message. Finally, give your Zap a name and toggle the switch to turn it on. Your no-code app is now integrated with Zapier's webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.